Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, myself and my little helper are going to be doing 5 science experiments. So these are simple, very simple experiments that you can do at home with your little ones. The first one is the most fun one, and the last one is the most surprising one. Okay, so stay tuned and watch all 5 of them. So the first one we're going to do is the bouncing bubbles. Should we do bouncing bubbles first?
Yeah.
Okay, so to make bouncing bubbles, you need 4 spoons of water. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 spoons of sugar. 1, 2. And let's make. 1 second. And 1 spoon of dish soap. Just 1 spoon. That's it. And we're good. So there you go. Mix.
So adding sugar is what makes the bubbles stronger. It reinforces the bubble film and slows down evaporation, allowing them to bounce without popping easily. Also, wearing something soft like a pair of socks prevents the oils and dirt from your skin from popping the bubbles.
What?
6, wow.
8,
9, 10,
11,
12, 13, 14, 15. That's good. That's really good.
This next one, we are going to make an explosion.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so all we need is vinegar. Let's put vinegar about there. There you go. Okay, should we put some food coloring in?
Yeah.
What color do you want to put?
Yellow.
Yellow, go ahead. So you put yellow and I'll put red. Yeah? What's your color?
I'll do the blue one.
You want the blue one? Okay, go ahead. Ooh, is that color good enough for you?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay. In here, just add a tablespoon of bicarbonate. Ooh. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Do you want to try? Where?
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's enough.
There's a white explosion.
It's fun, isn't it? Alright, cool. That's cool. Should we do something even more fun?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try something. One?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna put some vinegar into this container like this.
Half.
Like half, yeah. Half. Okay, so
A chair.
you wanna sit on the chair, Sumi?
Yeah.
Okay, come on then. Can you bring a chair for Sumi? And then what we're going to do is put this in. Come on.
Can you put with it with the bubble tea?
So in here, I've got vinegar, right? About a third full. And in this balloon, I've got bicarbonate soda, okay? We're going to pop this balloon over this container like this. I don't know. So you want to lift this.
I know this now.
In all the way. Whoa, it's going to blow the balloon for us. See? It's going to blow the balloon. Do you see?
So you've made your own DIY. Wow!
Wow!
You made
Say, wow!
by you.
You like balloon? Is it fun, Sumi? Our balloon is no. Happy face balloon. Do you want it?
I wish we could do another one.
For the next one. So I've got bicarbonate soda in here. And in here I've got vinegar. I tied it in this little glove thing. I'm just gonna, can you hold it? I'm just gonna put it into the balloon like so.
Then I'll tie the balloon together and stomp on it. Once the bicarbonate soda mixes with the vinegar, it will produce carbon dioxide, which will cause the balloon to inflate.
Okay, so for the last one, and this is my favorite one because it comes with a surprise message, okay?
So first of all, add 1 tablespoon of water into a glass, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap and some turmeric powder. Mix together and set it aside.
So put that aside, okay?
Next, take a glass of water like this much, add 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate soda into the water, give it a good mix and use the mixture to write your sick message on a piece of paper. So we all took turns at writing secret messages. My lovely Gracie and Brielle also wrote lovely messages, which we will reveal to you later on. We let it dry completely, and then we used the substance that we had prepared and set aside earlier to paint over the paper. That's because turmeric is a natural pH indicator, and when it combines with the alkaline bicarbonate, it revealed our secret message and it makes it turn bright red. As you can see, my message said subscribe, Gracie said we love you all, and Brielle said like.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.